Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I am making some lemonade to put in the refrigerator to have to drink for a few days. And I've taken about half a cup of blueberries, frozen, and put them in the bottom of this container. And I'm gonna do lemonade and orangeade together. Use what I've got and have something really delicious and nutritious. So I'm going to juice a couple of oranges. It'll be a fresh little refreshing drink. Citrusy. Let me cut a couple of these. I can make this with just lemons if I have a lot of lemons, or with just oranges if I have a lot of oranges. But I'm gonna do a combo of, okay, that is too big. I'm gonna grab my strainer. And we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's rainy here today, but we need some rain, so that's quite all right. It's cooled down to about 65. And so it's kind of nice out on the porch. And you can use this for any, fresh berries that you might be having coming in off the vines or out of your freezer. It actually will help sweeten this drink without having to add sugar. And I'm not gonna add sugar to this. Should have stuck these babies in the microwave for a little while, just a few minutes, not a few minutes, a few seconds, to get them a little more pliable, but that's okay. I need the strength in my hands, that's for sure. And I have mixed about a cup of hot water, with the leftovers of what I had in a honey container. So it was probably about 3 tablespoons of honey, guessing. And I dissolved it in that hot water. And that's what I'm going to use as a sweetener, other than the natural fruit juices here. I like to have some of this on hand, so when I'm wanting something besides water that has a little taste, I'm getting some nutrients as well. And some vitamins. Last one. This would be good with strawberries in the bottom too, if you have that. Strawberry season here, but I don't have any strawberries right now that are fresh and whole. You could put cucumber in this, and I've seen people do that. Okay. I'm gonna add my sweetener, which again was just about 3 tablespoons of honey and a cup of hot water. And then I'm gonna grab a tablespoon. I'm gonna fill the rest of it up with water out of the tap. Nothing fancy. This is about a half gallon, I'm guessing. I'm just gonna give that a stir. Put the lid on it. And I'm gonna give it a little taste. I'll just use this so I don't have to dirty up another cup. Delicious. As those berries are in the bottom, it'll get a little sweeter as they thaw out as well, and it draws the nutrient value out of that. Anyway, that's what I'm putting in my refrigerator. Thanks for following the page. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Like, share, and comment. We'll see you later. Bye now.